A lot of people always ask me how I stay productive as a paperless student. Most people find technology distracting so much that some professors don't even allow technology in their classrooms, with good reason. In this video, I am going to share with you guys my top 3 tips for staying digitally productive. Hey guys, it's Robsy back with Paperless Student Studies. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe if you're looking for study motivation and if you're planning to go paperless with your studies. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you know when I release a new video. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. My tip number 1, the golden rule of paperless study productivity: treat your iPad Pro, iPad or Surface Pro, whichever gadget you use, as if it is a physical notebook. And I will show you guys several ways how you can do that. A physical notebook is very boring. It plays no videos, it plays no games, it has no social media browsing. You'd only pick it up when you have to study or do an assignment. And this is exactly what you need to do with your device instead of picking it up for anything that it is capable of doing. Developing this productivity habit will decrease urges you get to use your device for anything else. This preconditions your brain to treat your device as a productivity tool versus it being an entertainment tool. And if you do this long enough, it will just naturally come to you that your study iPad is strictly for study and for nothing else. So you want to make sure that you're only picking your iPad when you need to do some work. Another way to make your device more like a physical notebook is to get a Wi-Fi version of your device. If an internet connection is not so readily available, you get less distractions from your device. You are less likely to look for those distractions. If you are to get an iPad, for example, the Wi-Fi version is cheaper anyway. It's a smart move to buy a cheaper iPad that will help you to be more productive. And should I need an internet connection, I hotspot it from my phone, and this uses up a lot of my phone battery, which naturally limits the amount of time I will spend online. Another way you can make your device more like a physical notebook is to only have educational or productivity applications on it. Basically, my study iPad has no games, no Netflix. It doesn't even have the YouTube app on it. The last tip to make sure that your device is like a physical notebook is to use other devices for entertainment. Now, I'm not saying go out there and buy another iPad, but if you're a paperless student, chances are you at least have a phone or another device. I personally have a laptop and a phone. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So of course we all need to rest and we need some entertainment to remain productive. So personally, I watch movies and YouTube videos on my laptop. I also use my laptop to reply to Facebook messages because Facebook disabled reading messages on your phone without their Facebook Messenger, and I simply won't download it to my phone. I am not going to do that. If I use my phone to watch YouTube, it's instructional videos, and my current favorite channel is ANC Food channel. I love their videos because they are easy to follow when I'm cooking. They don't actually say anything in their videos. They just show you what you need to do, and it's great. And I also use my phone for music. I also have Instagram on my phone. My productivity tip number 2 is turn off all your notifications in all your applications on all your devices, Messenger or WhatsApp, that you won't completely deactivate. So mine is 90% deactivated. That way, when something happens on Instagram, YouTube or Facebook, I only see it when I get into the application, which is during my study breaks. Our social media accounts are constantly crying out for our attention, and it makes it very difficult to focus. So just mute them. Really, just turn them off. And still on this point, turn off your phone during your study sessions. You don't study 24/7. Turning off your phone will mean you can concentrate on your study for that short period of time without any distractions. But if turning off your phone is too scary for you, I understand that, then put it on Do Not Disturb or something like that if you're not using an iPhone. That way you don't miss any emergency calls, but you block everything else. If you still can't get your hands off your phone, then try using this application called Forest. for a little extra motivation. Forest is an application that will motivate you to stay off the screen. You set it up to focus for 10 minutes or up to 2 hours at a time. You select the amount of time you want to focus, and then you start planting a tree. So you can't use your phone anymore until the plant or tree or forest, depending on how much time you've put, has completely grown. So exiting the app will kill the trees. Believe me, the feeling of killing a tree in this application is unpleasant. It is very, very unpleasant, especially if you kill a tree for Instagram. And my productivity tip number 3 is track your screen time. As a paperless student, you are on your screen for a long time. I suggest syncing your phone and tablet time screen. That way you get a clear picture of where you are spending most of your time. At least when you know where you're wasting your productivity time, you can actually do something about it. I think it's very important for us to be able to control our digital life versus our technology controlling us. That is all for this video. I hope you guys found this video useful. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Let me know how you guys are keeping productive with your paperless studying. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.